Ok ragazzi, oggi dovevamo durante la nostra lezione fare un'attività di ascolto, quindi ve la ripropongo adesso. Prendete la pagina del vostro libro, la 191, so open your book, page 191, and the first exercise we are doing is reading and completing, filling in the text. Complete the information about the person below. And you see that if you look at the text, you can understand, you can find out the information needed to write here. For example, name has already been written. Then you have the address. What is the address? And the age. What is the age? Then as soon as you finish, it's really simple. You go to exercise number 33, okay? And we listen to the tape, to the recording, and we have to complete the person's profile. The first name is Pete, but we miss the last name, and we miss all the other information. Listen.
Unit 6, page 191, exercise 33.
Okay, thanks for completing the questionnaire. Can you just give me some information about yourself for our database?
Sure. What do you want to know?
Well, let's start with your name.
My name is Pete Dupont.
Can you spell that?
Sure. It's D-U-P-O-N-T.
Oh, so you're French.
No, my parents are, but I was born in the UK.
Right, and where do you live?
At 28 Manor Drive, Camden Town.
Can you spell the street name, please?
It's M-A-N-O-R-D-R-I-V-E.
Great. And do you remember the postcode?
It's NW 15 7LW.
And may I ask how old you are?
I'm 22.
Are you working, studying?
I'm doing an electronics course at the North London College in Tottenham.
Okay. Do you have any free time?
Not a lot, but when I do, I go fishing.
Not in Camden, I'm guessing.
No, the fish are all dead in Camden Lock. I go to Southend. I also like football, and I support Spurs.
Oh, right. And one last thing. Do you live in a student flat?
No, I don't. I live at home with my family. I can't afford a flat.
Okay, that's everything. Thanks for your time, Pete.
Cheers.
Okay. Now look at exercise number 34. And we are going to listen to a tour guide welcoming some visitors to a hotel and complete the notes. So have a look at the notes. If you stop this recording for a while and read the text, and then you listen to know how to fill the blanks.
Unit 6, page 191, exercise 34.
Welcome to the Belfort Inn. My name's Catherine, and I'll be your tour guide for the next 3 days in London. First, let's talk about your stay here in the hotel. Breakfast is in the Square Mile room on the top floor from 6:30 a.m. to 9:45 a.m. You have a fantastic view of London's city area from the room. If you're out for the day on trips, you have to collect your packed lunch from the hotel restaurant here on the ground floor. You can do this at any time before 11 a.m. Unless you have other plans, we recommend dinner in the hotel. It's got an excellent reputation and is famous for its fish and chips. You can eat at any time between 7 p.m. and 10 p.m. in the main dining room. Please remember that there's an extra charge on soft drinks like lemonade, with the exception of water. Now, we know that you all have lots of activities planned, but if you have any free time, You'll find a great swimming pool on the top floor near the breakfast room. The pool is open from 8 till 8, except for a short break between 1 and 2 p.m. You don't have to bring towels as they are provided at the entrance. You can also enjoy a free cup of tea there when you've finished.
And this is the last listening activity, number 36. Okay, listen.
Unit 6, page 191, exercise 36.
Welcome to the Northwest Weather Centre in Liverpool. Now, your visit today is free, so if you've got a moment, I'll just explain some of the work we do and things to see. The Weather Centre is on 4 floors. Here on the ground floor we have the Weather Forecast Room. This is active 24 hours a day, and basically it's where we collect all the data necessary to make the forecast you see on the internet and TV. As you can see, it's a busy area, and we have 20 people working here at busy times. The internet forecast comes out once a day at 1 p.m, so we collect all the data until 10 o'clock of the same morning, and we spend the next 3 hours looking at the weather trends. As you know, this may be difficult sometimes. The first floor is a little different. As you can see, there are fewer people here, 10 at most, but that doesn't mean it's less important than downstairs. This is the Environmental Monitoring Centre, which operates from 9 to 6 in the evening and follows all things related to the environment. Here we check the quality of the air in the whole region. You've probably seen some of our strange metal structures in the city centre. We also look at climate change here. For example, we check the temperature every day and look for important changes. We also follow weather events worldwide, for example, floods and hurricanes, to see if there are any trends here. On the second floor, we have our media centre. This is where we upload the data onto the website, maintain it, and interact with users on our Facebook and Twitter feeds. There are only 5 people working there, and they might be busy when you go up because they're getting today's forecast ready for the web. There's also a small TV studio where we video record a short daily weather forecast that we give to various other sites for free. The top floor is where we keep all our papers and data. We won't go up there because it isn't very tidy at the moment. So, enjoy your visit to the centre. You can ask staff questions if you like, and I'll be here to help you.